Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Divi theme on WordPress in 2025. Divi is a powerful page builder and theme that lets you create beautiful, professional websites easily. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Themes section. This is where you'll start the installation process. Next, upload the Divi zip file that you downloaded from Elegant Themes. Make sure your account is active so you can get the latest version. Once uploaded, click Activate to make Divi your site's active theme. After activation, you'll notice new options in your dashboard for configuring Divi. This is where you can start customizing your site's look and feel. From here, you can explore Divi's features. You'll be able to create templates, design layouts, and manage your site more efficiently. Divi also makes it easy to maintain consistent branding and design across your pages. That's it. You now have Divi installed on your WordPress site and are ready to start building stunning pages. If you found this guide helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and tips.